Check out this 2013 Ford Escape S. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include rear window wiper, power steering, body color bumpers, power door locks, airbag deactivation, traction control system, adjustable headrests, trip computer, and auto express down window. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.